How to change account in Fortnite on PC. You want to open up your computer search and search for Epic Games Launcher. The Epic Games Launcher uses your account to log you into Fortnite. So if you want to switch your accounts, just load up the launcher itself. Then here in the top right, we will click on the icon with our initial. Afterwards, you can select sign out. Now, once you have been signed out of your account, you can log in with another account here. So if you want to change your account, you can use either of these platforms that are being displayed, or what you can do is also create an account by clicking on the create account button. Afterwards, after you have done this, you can click on sign in here. After you have created your account, type out your password, click on sign in, and that's how you change your account in Fortnite. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.